Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to turn on light theme on YouTube application. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the YouTube application. So after this you can see profile at the bottom right corner, so click on it. So after this, here you can see gear options on the top right corner, so click on it and then click on general, and here you can see appearance options, so click on it. So when you will click on it, here you can see light theme, so select this theme and you can see light theme is on. So guys, in this way you can turn on light theme on YouTube application. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.